Hi, my name's Don. Welcome to my channel. Just a reminder, this is not a sponsored video. We bought this on our own. And so what we're looking at today, unboxing today, will be the Laundry Alternative Ninja 3200 RPM extractor with and it's got a shock absorbing transmission. The reason we selected this one is very good reviews. They are a smaller company, and some of the other ones we looked at were either they weren't 3200 RPM, so they weren't extracting all the water, and or they were very noisy. This one has the best of both worlds. So today what we're going to do is we're going to unbox it today, take a look at it. Possibly we will go through a setup and extract some clothes or extract some water from the clothes or later on. Today with me, I have my kitty cat, my assistant, Missy. She loves helping me with this. So you may see her tail and her face wander in and out. So that's Missy, my assistant. So what we did was we tried to order from Laundry Alternative in the States. Them being a smaller company, they weren't really too sure about customs and duties and all that stuff. So we held off, and they were the only ones that we could actually get the extractor from before Christmas. However, SnapClick, they had them in stock, and this is mid-February. So SnapClick had them in stock, and we thought we would order it. We ordered it through them. We paid a little bit more for it if we would have than if we would have ordered it directly from the company, but that's okay. I think we paid around $415 Canadian, shipped to our house. And I believe right now is running about $469 at Walmart Canada, if you can get them, that is. So it took about a week to get here. Not a bad thing. It weighs about 23 pounds, or the package weighs 23 pounds. So let's get into opening this up. Whew. Stuff flying everywhere. Okay, so it's well packed. Just means more styrofoam to find a home for. There we go. How do you like that kick, right? So plastic and everything like that, I'm assuming, oh, there we are. More plastic, yay. What's that? Yeah. Please recycle the plastic and the foam and everything like that. So it comes with instructions in one official language because we got this out of the States. Inside we also have the user manual. And because it came out of the States, it's only got one official language, I think. Yep, one official language, English. So let's just take a look at the inside of this. So you can see it's a stainless steel liner. And you can see there's a fair bit of movement on that. Got a blue lid. This does come in different colors. This was the only one that well, teal is a good color. I like blue. So, and I believe that's the locking mechanism to lock it so that, clothes won't fly all over the place. And you have to turn it all the way off to open the lid. So that's the extractor area. You put a bowl under there and it collects a bowl or a pan or something like that. That's where you collect the water. All right, so we're going to stop the video. We're going to see if we can get this set up and actually do something with it. So we found a pan that's going to fit under there. It's one of the pans that we would probably use in our RV anyhow. So the hole is right at the front of that. And so once you turn it on, all the water will be extracted from there. So it's a nice looking little unit. All right, so that's the drain hole, or the extractor hole. This thing is on 3 legs, And it looks like there's a fan or that kind of thing, the motor assembly in there. So this is the laundry alternative, and they call it the Ninja 3200 RPM extractor. All right, so we've loaded up the Ninja with a large heavy bath towel, bath sheet, whatever that is. And so basically what we're going to do is close it and get her running. So this is the first time ever, so basically you put the lid down. Oh yes, you have to have something underneath it. So we would have washed the floor at the same time. What the heck, eh? All right, so basically it's plugged in. We've got the bucket receptacle in place. So push down, turn, first position, second position. Oh. Okay, so it wobbled a little bit to start. Oh, very quiet. Oh, there you can see the water coming out. Wow, this is super quiet. The reason we wanted an extractor in the first place, that we used one many years ago in a laundromat, and it took the drying cycle down from an hour to about 10 minutes tops, something like that. Oh, it sounds like it's going to take off, but it's still sitting very quietly on the floor. That's a good thing. Let's make it a little bit more noise right now. It's probably because it's revving up. But we still see a lot of water coming out. Yeah. So you can see that there's soap in that. And a fair bit of dirt. Wow, I'm pretty impressed. Yeah. So what they say in the instructions, they say the typical cycle is about 3 minutes. It may be a little bit longer, and you just keep it running until you see just it's slowed down to drips. We're not quite there yet, but... Wow, good job, Ninja. I can see we've still got a few things coming out. We'll run it for about another minute or so. Okay, so there's hardly anything coming out of that now. So I'm going to shut it down. So as per instructions, you turn it to shut off. And it slows down pretty quick. A little bit of wobbling at lower speeds. And open it up. And we'll get my wife to pull that out and see how it looks. Wow. That's pretty dry. Perfect. Just what we wanted to see.